Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, which of course you are because this is currently a new channel, welcome and welcome back. My name is Jaime and thank you for clicking. I love you. Okay, anyway, we are starting off a vlog. I have a couple of things going on this week that I'm very excited about, so I feel like it's a good time to pick up my camera because I haven't put up a video in it's been like 3 weeks now since my last vlog went up. And yeah, like I'm slacking. If I want to do YouTube, I have to do YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Kind of looks like I'm like stuck in one position. It's because I am. Let me show y'all. So I'm trying to get my body back together because sis been eating a whole lot. So underneath this, I have on a sweat belt that I got from Five Below, and then on top is this like waist trainer slash thigh slimmer booty lifter thing. I got this from hold on, let me turn your picture on. From Stability Pro, and I haven't worked out in it. I just kind of, you know, been wearing it around the house with my daily activities. I bought it because I was gonna work out with it, which is still the plan, but I was going to, I forgot I had it honestly, and I was going to wear it to my job I was just working at, which is part of the reason why I haven't been picking up my camera, because your good sis was tired. I was going to work at 2 in the morning, y'all. And there's my kitten. Wanna say hi to YouTube? Say hi, mama. But yeah, so that's part of the reason why I haven't picked up my vlog, is because I used to get off work at 9 in the morning and I just be done for the rest of the day. The reason why we're starting off this video of me looking crusty, as usual, I always come on here with my bonnet on, but this is the real, I be having my bonnet on. I don't know what you want me to do about that. But during me working for this top shipping company, I was working in a warehouse, which I did resign from because that was too much. Getting up at 2 in the morning, I got me in these trailers lifting heavy ass boxes. It's dusty, dirty, like I got a sinus infection, not coronavirus, okay, a sinus infection from working there. No, I want to do a photo shoot today, or a couple different, I'm gonna try to get in like 2 or 3 different looks right now, but right now I have to go out and go get some stuff, so we got a lot of stuff to do today. Yeah, so I two-strand twisted my hair during me working for a month, but yeah, so these are it. But I'm just gonna use some water, and I'm gonna use the ORS olive oil strengthen and nourish replenishing conditioner. So this is what that looks like. So I'm just gonna this is just like warm water in here, so I'm just gonna dampen my hair, put this on and comb it out and go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna speed through this part. Okay, I'm back. I'm looking a little crazy, but all of my hair is out. So I'm about to go ahead and wash my hair and take a shower and stuff, and I'm gonna get dressed and I'll come back. I'm gonna do a like sleek low ponytail but with Marley hair. So I'm just gonna mold my hair and all of that because I still have to go to the beauty supply store and get some Marley hair. So yeah, later on, once I wash my hair and get dressed. So all right, y'all, so I'm back. I'm out the shower. I'm halfway dressed. I just need to put on my sweater or whatever, but I'm gonna do my hair first. So like I said, we're going for like a sleek ponytail but in a natural way. So I'm just basically gonna mold my hair down right now, and it is still damp. It doesn't take long for my hair to get dry. The middle of my hair stays wet the longest, and everything around the perimeter gets really dry. So I got my spray bottle here, of course, Been waiting for, I'm gonna make it whole, so I am coming for yours. I'm in this bitch for the long term. Putting in work, make the world turn. Stuffing the gas in the slow burn, pulling off fast, leaving the street burning. Oh, y'all thought I was done? Oh no, I'm just getting started, baby. I know I'm the shit, but I whisper it, cause it's the whispers that people do not forget. My body real, and my mind too legit. I am too real, can't pass no bullshit. It's all above me now. I put in that work and adjusted my crown. My mom is up there in heaven, how? That shit is still fucking with me now. I said I am what the game needs. These trash ass artists got nothing on me. Screaming, Malibu's most wanted. I can flip anything and make you want it. Business first and it's personal second. I'm always pulling to come and collect it. I am a different breed, I think I'm dangerous. I think I'm dangerous. I got it all, but my attitude fucked up. I do not play, you can get your ass fucked up. Try to be into the peace like a Buddhist, but I want all of the money. I'm Jewish, but baby, I'm black like my heart feels. I do not know how to not keep it real. Say what you mean and mean what you feel. It's a simple. Okay, so I tried to do some dramatic baby hairs. I don't know how I like them, but I'm gonna leave it for now because this side over here is driving me crazy. Headband on so we can basically hold down my edges, and then I have this little edge scarf, tie scarf thing that I'm about to use to hold down the surface of like the front of my ponytail. I'm about to go ahead and get dressed and get out the house. So hey guys, sorry the lights this way. So hey, so I'm back in my room looking like a bald lady. Okay, so of course first from Walmart, I got some table covers, and these all the ones in the little packs were all 97 cents. So I got a white one, like a nude color, which I think is really cute, orange, yellow, Barbie pink, black, and I think I said white. And then I got this gold one. This one was like $2.50, so I got this. I got two of these. I got two of these little clusters of white flowers, and then just some random things I need. I told you guys this is the line that I usually use for my hair. So I use the Aussie shampoo, conditioner, and the deep conditioner, but I had ran out. So since I went to Walmart, I was like, let me grab this. And then I just need some wipes to, you know, transition my makeup and stuff that I'm doing. And then I had to re-up on some soap that I use. So from the hair store, from Family Dollar, I got some nail glue. I needed some lash glue, and I got these nails. They were only $3. And if you see the polish on my fingers, yeah, I need to do my nails real quick. And so from the hair store, this is the hair that we're going to be using to make the ponytail, so I will show you that in a second. And then I got these for another look that I want to do, but I got these for today. These are the I Envy Mattes 11s, matte 3Ds. I'm about to go ahead and get started on all of this. Damn, I forgot the fucking tape. I'm gonna have to improvise, but we'll see how this is gonna go. Fuck, I forgot tape. How could I forget the tape? Okay, real quick guys, I just wanted to show you these little decorative flower pin things. They got the wires. I got these from Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna try to use these in my shoot. They're originally like $3.99 from the brand Ashland. So yeah. we're back and we're about to finish my makeup. So this is the look. I got the inspiration from a photo on Google. Let me see if I can find it real quick, that I'm going for. But getting into the hair, so I'm using the J.A.I collection ×2, the 2-in-1 pack Afro twist braid. This is what that looks like. And I'm just using one bundle because I think I'm gonna I'm gonna do a bun because I feel like a bun would be really cute and I can show off my neckline and stuff. So the ones I want to put on, so I'm gonna start here above the brow and I'm gonna work my way down to my neck here. For my hair, I left the little ties on so I can just kind of gonna stick. I'll be right back to let you know how it's. Oh shit, my battery is about to die, but I just got finished with my photo shoot. I just took all the flowers off my face, so this is the makeup right here. But unfortunately I'm about to go wash it off, but I need to straighten up all of this mess that I've caused, so I need to change out my battery and you guys can watch me clean up.
Come in, little daddy, let me whisper in your ear. I can take it, bitch, too, just so we're clear. Always clear restraints like I'm rocking some veneers on the road to the goal. Gonna take me by the Always lose sight when you're chasing down a nigga, but you never lose yourself when you're chasing six figures, trying to fix my figure. I got what you need, call me Herbalife. Body like a thick ass shake that'll change your life. Blow a bag out the window, pulling up to the light. I'ma pull up, I'ma pop out like hi. Look, I never had to work to get the attention you get naked for. I'm always protected like I'm riding on a Trojan horse. Never need a nigga, and I tell him I be right, of course. I'm a real bitch that's plugged up to the source.